What's going on? It's your boy Mikey Will here. We are another Jeep invasion for right here for 2024. It was
Look at the mini Jeep down there.
awesome to say the least, but definitely a little grimy. Not the people, not the vibe, just the crazy humidity and the fact that the Jeep was swamped out. But people came with their dope builds as usual, seeing some unusual stuff that I've never seen inside a vehicle, which is so dope. Check out these guys, Soul on 9. They killed it. Their food was so good.
Tell them how it is, man. Yeah.
Collard greens, you know what I mean? Yes, sir.
Oh,
ready.
I'm sorry.
Green.
It's breakfast of champions right here.
That's right. That's right. I'll do it.
Yeah, there's a bunch of vendors out like usual. Some of them are blowing out my speakers on my camera, and everyone has some type of dopeness to add to this Jeep culture. This Jeep culture is huge. Got a little bit of obstacle course action. I heard the first day it was a little crazy. A lot of people were getting pulled out, so it seems like they tamed it down a little bit. Also, guys, if you haven't subscribed or dropped any likes or comments, please do so. It helps the channel so much. Helps your boy keep creating dope videos and keep going to dope spots like this.
All right.
That's a lick there. Let's see my walk the lick.
Situation at hand.
This thing screams America.
Should put some boobs on there.
No, he shouldn't.
I like the subtle pinstripe on it. I like the color match top on it.
Little chairs they got.
Oh, that's what I was bum.
What?
That looks comfortable.
This is crazy. What was the most expensive repair you had on this Jeep? What was the most expensive repair you had on this Jeep?
Oh my God, new engine.
Ah, there it is. There it is.
I'm on engine number 3, so.
Yeah, I'm on 2.
Ah.
He's got it.
Got my last name on it too. I was built for this. Oh, you added it. All right. Let's go. That thing's sick. Yeah.
Nice.
Got the Kenda wheels on it too. You're not playing. There's too many like sick perverted jokes on this one. I don't like this. You're fired. What was the most like expensive build like you had on this right now?
What do I have? I have what?
Jeez, it's not bad.
That's how bad compared to some of these.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you ain't wrong.
Got that and just wheels and tires around here.
That's sick, man. I love
Yeah,
it.
it's definitely sick.
Hood is right.
That's wild. Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, if you're gonna jump down, if you're gonna fall, please get it on camera here. You can't bail out now. You gotta do it. You gotta get down.
My kid's gonna come up with me.
Oh jeez. All right, we're not gonna have that. Right. Can't fix stupid.
So when the wheels come on.
That's impressive. Can I ask you a question real quick?
Yeah.
Yo, how many times have you rolled this thing?
One time.
One time. All right. What was your biggest repair?
Last weekend I blew the transfer case apart in a bunch of pieces. Had to go find one on Marketplace and stab it back in it so we could keep going wheeling.
All right, man. Enjoy it, man. Jeez. Expensive Jeep repair on this thing. What was it?
15.
Jeez. What was it? What happened? What happened? Yeah.
Everything.
Oh, jeez, man. Okay.
That's fine.
Oh, look at this. What was the most expensive repair on this thing?
Getting the rims and the tires.
I was gonna say, what are these bead-locked rims?
We got them used off Facebook Marketplace, so they were really cheap.
Let's go.
A lot of people
Facebook Marketplace for the win, boys. Let's go. Yeah. Jeez. Have you ever flipped this thing?
No,
What was your craziest experience or like most expensive repair?
I haven't had one yet.
None yet? Maybe today's that day. We'll find out.
Probably not. I've been doing this for like 10 years.
Let's go. Let's go. It's like a 125cc. That thing is
That thing
sick.
needs a horn.
Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The fender. No. It's a splash guard. What happened?
What happened?
No.
That's it too hard.
Ah.
Literally.
I knew it.
Really getting
It's all good. Players gotta play. Whoa, a little sandcastle Jeep. Yeah. What is this? 3S, 4S, 12 volt? What you got? What is
I
it?
got a free ass.
It's 4S? Oh, it's 3S?
Yeah.
Let's go. Yo, hit a burnout for me. Oh no! Alright, man.
2 o'clock and at 4 o'clock.
Those on. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, this Jeep weekend came to a cool little halt. These guys are down bad for the count, you know what I mean? And I had a lot of fun. I hope that anyone else that attended this had a lot of fun. There's a lot of good stuff. There's the boardwalk, there's the beach, a lot of things to do down there. Wildwood's a great beach, great place to just enjoy in general. And hopefully the mayor continues to keep letting this happen, you know? Because I heard that he does not really like motors and motorsports. But let's just keep making sure the vibes are good, everything's good, and so we can keep continuing. Thank you guys for watching so much. Please subscribe, like, and comment for more. We got more content coming soon. Peace.